Hey guys, it's me Jetta. Welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm going to be doing a slime. Yes, a slime. ASMR. I made some new slime. I made a big batch of white slime, a big batch of clear slime. Right here. I have them in these big containers because they're like, big. Like if they're really big, like really big. It's right now. Mommy! Yeah. You're in the background of my YouTube video. Say hi.
Turn it around the other way, honey.
Or else it won't show my slime. So the first one I have is this white slime. Oh no! And then I have this clear slime. There you go. Alright, so let's open this one first. Oh, it's in like a roll. So, I'm putting it right here. So we're gonna go to the white slime now. I put a little bit of cornstarch in here to make it more like soft. And look, you want to see something cool? Take a piece out.
I don't want to do it right now. Set it first off somewhere.
Right.
I just had to cut the wood because it's too big.
You had what?
I cut the wood.
I made a bubble. Uh-oh. Tomorrow's my dad's going to work. I know really you've been told of the sky, right, baby?
Honey, you can't leave your TV paused like this. It's bad for this type of TV.
I'm making a YouTube video.
It's fine. You can stay paused. Just turn off the TV until you're ready because it's plasma. It'll burn it in.
Okay. So yeah. Tonight we're having tacos for dinner. So I love tacos, so I'm so excited. Got Gatorade at the store. It looks purple, but it's actually blue. It's cool blue. That's the name of it. This is cool blue. There you go. You see it? Something like that. checkers in here? Of course I do. Duh. I mean, who wouldn't have checkers? I mean, I love checkers. So I'm going to show you them one by one. So my dad got all these keychains all around the world for me a long time ago, 4 years ago, and I still have them. And he gave them to me in this beautiful box, which he got from Missouri. So yeah, so the first one I have is this cute shimmery pink teddy bear with the heart, with the red heart in the middle that says Missouri. My dad got that in Missouri, obviously. So this next one is from Illinois, obviously, land of Lincoln. And it has the penny on it. It's like a nice big penny, chunky penny. He got this, obviously, in Illinois. Next one my dad got in Wyoming. This other one is from Wyoming, really nice, pretty one. And then this other one is from Wyoming. And then this one is from Wyoming. Authentic. Wyoming. And this one is from Utah, Salt Lake City, Utah. Salt Lake City, Utah. Ooh, so it's day. Flip it around. Nice, so pretty at nighttime. Next one is from Virginia. Oh, this one's from California. There was skulls hanging from it, but I lost them. This one is from Virginia. Hold on. Let me tell you the story about these. How I started getting these little things. This one was my very first one. My dad bought this for me at Walmart. He did not buy all of these at Walmart. I got this. It says Arizona. I got this a long time ago. I melted crayons and I put it in here because I was like, obviously I'm dumb. I was dumb. I was a little girl. I cut my hair at the time too, so yeah. Obviously I was stupid. It's been 8 minutes already. Dang. So yeah, and ever since my dad's been buying these for me. See, this is my very first one. Got it a long time ago. More than 4 years ago. I got this about tomorrow. I got this 10 years ago. Just kidding. I'm not allowed. I wasn't allowed for 10. I got this 7 years ago. It's 2 years old. Got this. So the next one I got, same thing, except no picture because I took the picture out of this because I didn't like it, but now I like them. This one's from Virginia. There's no crayon in it. It's normal. It says Virginia is for lovers. And then I open it and there's a little picture on there. It says photo frame. You can take it out. Look, you can, shoot. I always used to take these out and put it back in. Yeah, I would take it out because it was loose at the time. And then I got another one from Ohio. They have these things everywhere. Again, photo frame, except green this time with polka dots. And then this one is from LA, Loa. I don't know where this place is. This one has no picture frame. This is what it looks like, nice and shiny and clean with no picture frame. You can see my see my curtains. Oh yeah, I also have this one from Maryland. Photo frame. Oh, this one's loose. I just took this off. So if you want, when you want to put your picture frame in, this is not glass. It's just, see, that's how they make it like that tinted color, because it's like color changing. See, so it's not glass. It's obviously plastic. Here's a little photo, and here's another little frame. Oh, that's just my neighbors. So yeah, so this is how the Maryland one looks like. So if you want to put your picture in here, you're gonna take the picture frame. Gonna take this. Oh, you go. No, I get it. Oh my god.
The crap that's in our fucking drink.
Tomorrow is tomorrow. Na, 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 na. I know I'm trying not to forget. I know I hate you. So I'm putting everything back in the way it was. Boom. Photo from Maryland. So then it's Illinois, land of Lincolns. And then I got another shiny one from Missouri again. Like the teddy bear was from Missouri. Missouri!
Why it was making that noise when you try to close the door.
And then I got this one from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Alright, let's stop doing this. I'm getting bored, and it's been 13 minutes already. Okay. Okay, so guys, that's gonna be all for today, guys. So make sure to comment, like, subscribe. Bye.